Hi guys, today we are going to see a Google Chrome bookmark extension. We use this extension to boost your browsing speed in your browser. First thing first, if you are newcomer, please subscribe my channel and give your support. Now let's go into the video. This is my bookmark extension. It is developed by me. I give the link in the description box. You can add this extension in your Chrome browser. You simply click this add to Chrome button. Now it asks add bookmark extension. You click the add extension button. Now it's successfully added in Google Chrome. Then go to this icon and pin this bookmark extension. Now it shows our bookmark extension. Now I am going to demonstrate how it works. First I go to YouTube. Click any video that you want to watch.
Have you ever wondered what?
Then click the video in random part. Then go to my extension and click the add bookmark button. You can see the video is added successfully in my bookmark extension. You can see the date and time also. You can edit the title of the video. Then I bookmark the YouTube short video. So I go to the YouTube shorts video. Choose any random YouTube shorts video
We noticed that some of you have been asking for videos in Hindi.
and stop video. Then go to this icon and click the add bookmark button. Now you can see the shorts video is also added successfully. Then you go to the website that you want to bookmark. For example, I visit Al Jazeera website. I want to bookmark this website, so I go to this icon and click add bookmark button. The website is also added in my bookmark extension. Now I will demonstrate how it's work. First, close the tab in the Chrome browser. Then go to the Chrome extension. Then click the video. Now you can see it. It continues from that part we previously stopped. Then I go to YouTube Shorts also.
We noticed that some of you have been asking for videos in Hindi. We'll get
Same thing, you can watch it continues from that part that we previously stopped. Then we visit the website that we already bookmarked. That's also, this is my bookmark extension. Please give the feedback of my extension and give you a support, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.